loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Ruby. If you're new, my name is Ruby. Please do subscribe and stay tuned for our show. To my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Let's get into this. So today we're going to be doing a corset top. It's a denim one that I saw on Blueprint DIY. This looks so cute and I like the design of the top that she did, so I thought we would try it. So let's get into the video. We're going to be making the pattern for this top using tape and ourselves. So you need to wear something tight. I don't know why I was wearing a t-shirt. Yeah, I'm forgetting to bring a scissors. So anyway, we're just going to put vertical strips of tape on ourselves. I don't have thick masking tape. I think it would work best if you have that. So I just had to use this sellotape. Ended up working though. So we're just going to tape ourselves. I'm going to do only half of the front parts because everything is going to be cut on fold. Realizing that I made a mistake wearing a t-shirt that is very loose, I had to tie my shirt at the back to give it a little body shape so that I see what I'm doing because we're going to be making a corset type of top. I'm taking the marker and drawing a curvy line from the side of our bob to underneath our bob to create a little bit of like a half cup. So I forgot to draw the outline of this top while I still had the tape on me. But don't worry, we're going to solve that when we put it on paper. I pasted the tape onto plain paper. As you can see, our design, we're just going to cut around the tape. Looking at our design, since I forgot to do the outline while I had the tape on me, please, when you do this, just outline the whole design on the tape while it's still on your body to make it easier. Here I'm cutting out the line that we drew on our pattern and make sure that you just make it more straight and more curvier. Now I'm adjusting how I want the top to be because I was putting on myself again and seeing if it's fitting exactly the way I want it to fit. Now I'm going to cut a dart on the cup part of the pattern. We're going to put our fabric on fold, and then on the unfold part of the pattern is going to be flush with the fabric, and then the other parts we're going to leave a little bit space for seam allowance. I did not realize that I was not recording when I cut the other part of the top, so I'm just going to line up the pattern so you can see how I did it. For the back part of the top, we're just going to cut out a rectangle of 8.5 inches in length and 6 inches in width. The 8.5 must be the same measurement as the side of your front part so that it lines up correctly.
We're going to sew our dart in. We're just gonna fold the fabric right sides facing and sew the cutted part. And this is how it should be looking like. And then we're gonna do the other side. Here I'm laying down the bottom part of the top, right side facing up, and the top part, right side facing down. Make sure that you line up the middle part of both of these sections so that they're accurate when you sew them together. And pin down everything together. Make sure you have that curvy vibe going on, like a cup type looking thing. It might look weird, but trust the process. That's exactly what you're looking for. So when you flip it out, this is how it should be looking like on the outside. Don't mind my wrinkled fabric, by the way. We're going to take our long strap and pin it down on the top, right alongside where the seam is on the top, as you can see. Make sure you pin your stuff down before you do anything so that it doesn't move around when you're sewing. I'm going to do 2 stitches on both the edges of the strap so that it looks nice. Cut off the excess of the strap, if there's any, and then here is how it's supposed to be looking. It has 2 stitches on the top and at the bottom of the edges, and then we're going to take our short straps and pin them in the middle of the top. Same thing on both of the straps. We're going to sew both of the edges so that it has an appealing look, as you can see here. Now for the loops, we're going to line them up, and then we're going to take the back side of the top. The first one is going to have an overlay to cover up where the lace is going to come when you tie your top together. This part is pretty hard to explain, so I'm gonna just let you watch what I'm doing. Now we're going to attach the back pieces to the front part. Right side facing up for the front and the right side facing down for the back pieces. And we're going to sew them on the sides of the top. And this is how our top is looking so far. So to keep that nice looking aesthetic, we're going to top stitch on all the seams that we did on the outside of the top. Here I'm going to be hemming all the remaining raw edges. On the top, we're just going to fold in about an inch in and pin it down, same as on the bottom, and then sew it all down. Here I'm hemming the bottom part of the top. I'm just freestyling it. If you can do that, that's really up to you. If you cannot, please do pin down your stuff. Otherwise, the thing is going to be very skew. For the lace to use to tie the top together, I ended up using this ribbon that I had. It's white because I forgot to get a blue one. I think I will be replacing that because I do not like the way it looks. But the final outcome came out so pretty. I am so obsessed. I wish I had someone to help me make the flip fit in place nicely at the back of the top because I had to put this on by myself and I couldn't reach my back. But nonetheless, I love this top. It came out so great.
End of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do comment down below what you thought of the video, if you liked it or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends. See you in the next video.